Hey there, it's nice to meet you all. My name's Josh. Just thought it would be a good time to introduce myself. I'm the artist and the creator behind Legendary Build Studios. I do a lot of random things. I do scratch building, comic books, drawing, digital art, music, and stuff like that. I play guitar. But anyway, today I wanted to do a video on trading cards. I'm currently working on a trading card game that's based on characters from my comic books. Self-published and self-created a comic book, which maybe I'll do a video on another time. I figured it might be helpful to share some of the experiences that I've gained over the years. And it hasn't been easy, like there's a lot of trial and error that's involved and things don't come out perfect the first time, but that's okay. Like you just keep working at it and you'll get better as time goes. Anyway, yeah, so I wanted to share my game. Yeah, so these are some of the cards that I've done so far. Camera's reversed, but anyway, so I have some back and fronts done. These are printed at Staples actually. I just used some cardstock paper. I did the designs in Photoshop. Some of it was actually hand drawn, which I'll get into that a little bit later. But yeah, like these aren't perfect. Like these are printed on separate things and glued together. And I'm still trying to figure out the process myself, but they came out pretty good. I want to do decks and I want to get people to like test play the game. I could even go through some of the rules, might help you even with your game. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get to it. Start off with a clear space. I just started with a regular blank sheet of paper. I just folded in half. So I guess I'll show you that. So just fold in half again, and then you fold it in half one more time, right? And that way when you unfold it, you have 8 blank spaces. And these don't have to be perfect because they're not being used as the final product. You just use it for like a simple design. You can flip it over and then do more ideas in the back. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and start to like fine tune. If you're like tech savvy, you can always just use Photoshop and you could draw directly on there. But for me, I don't know, I personally like drawing physically better. You need to know how you want to lay out your cards. So I'm gonna do like a sample one here. So you just keep drawing out a whole bunch of designs and stuff like this. And once you're happy with it, then you can go and scan it. You can then put it into Photoshop. You can update templates and stuff like that. Yeah, and even if you want to just start with this, you could always cut these out individually. You could photocopy them. Then you can get like quick like decks out of just paper like this, and you could play your game, and then make sure you have your rules and stuff. But anyway, we're gonna end it here for now, and then I'll see you in part 2 in the next video.